Hello, today we will guide you through how to mark as reserved on Vinted. If you've agreed to hold an item for a buyer, marking it as reserved is a simple way to show that it's temporarily unavailable to others. In this walkthrough, we'll go from the Vinted homepage to the item listing and then use the reserve option. Make sure you're already signed into your account before you begin, since this option is available from your own profile and listings. Start by opening Vinted in your web browser. Once the homepage loads, give it a moment to fully appear so all navigation options are visible and easy to access. You'll want to stay on the main site for the first part of this process. Next, move to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This opens the account menu where you can quickly access different areas of your account. If the menu doesn't appear right away, click once more and wait for the drop-down to open. From that menu, select Profile. This will take you to your public profile page where your listed items are displayed. On this page, you should be able to see the products you currently have available. If you have several listings, take a moment to find the correct one before continuing. Now click on the item you want to reserve. This opens the item's listing page where you can manage that specific product. Be sure you're selecting the correct item, especially if you have multiple similar listings. Opening the right product is important because the reserve status applies only to that individual listing. Once you're on the item page, look for the option labeled Mark as Reserved and click it. This updates the listing so other users can see that the item is being held. It's a helpful feature when you're waiting for a specific buyer to complete their purchase and want to avoid confusion or duplicate interest from other shoppers. After you click the Reserve option, the listing should reflect that new status. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the page or wait a few seconds for the update to appear. It's also a good idea to double-check the listing afterwards so you can confirm the item is now marked correctly. And that's it. You've successfully marked an item as reserved on Vinted. This is a quick but useful step for managing buyer expectations and keeping your listings organized while a sale is pending.